Hi, I'm Sarah from Floral, and today let's talk about floral tape and how to actually use it. So I've got two different colors of floral tape here. I've got some green, obviously, and white. It comes in other colors, but this is what I have on hand today. So floral tape is just paper with a wax on it, and it's actually not sticky until you activate it. So if you look at the tape here, when I pull it, look at how much give it gets. And then if you pull it hard, it rips. I'm gonna show you guys that once more. So this is it when it hasn't been pulled, and you can see how much it actually stretches. So when you stretch it, that's when it actually becomes sticky. So when you're using it, you need to pull it in order to activate the glue. So I'm going to show you just kind of on this rose stem how to use floral tape. You obviously wouldn't be taping up a rose stem, but this is how to use it. So you take your tape, with your one thumb, you hold it in place, then you pull with your other hand till it stretches, and then you go and wrap around. You have to keep pulling it as you go, because if you stop pulling, it's no longer sticky. So I'm just going to keep wrapping it and pulling it as I go. And when I get to the end, you can see that the floral tape is just sticking up here. In order to push it downwards and make it stay, I take it, give it a little pull to make sure it's stretched and sticky, and then just take my thumb and push it down and apply pressure. And the heat from my thumb pushing it down makes it so it stays down. So you can see when I'm kind of moving my hands back and forth, this tape is not going anywhere. So you can use this to make your boutonnieres, or if you needed to attach something, say to a rose stem, then you could use floral tape. So that is how to use floral tape, and hopefully that was helpful to you guys. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.